Today I'm taking a look at the Vevor clamp multimeter. So that's nice. It actually comes with a pouch. And there is the meter. So we got our AC clamp there at the top. We got our hold button there on the side. And it's also the light. And then two simple buttons on the front. So that's pretty cool. We got our test leads and they are capped on the end. So that's good. Make sure that we're not getting any kind of a dust or anything inside there. And we can see written on here, this is for Cat 3 600 volts. And we can take that off so that we can actually get readings deeper inside. And this is Cat 2 600 volts. So depending on what you're working with, you can use the cap or not. We got a big instruction manual. It does come with a couple of batteries, so that's good. And it looks like a thermal probe. These can really come in handy. Okay, we are in auto, so I'm going to put the black in the COM and the red in the input. That's cool. So by default, I don't even have to set anything. I can already check for continuity. So that's neat. I like that it just kind of does everything automatically. So let's see if it works on AC. Okay, so it's reading 60 hertz. So we got that. 122 volts. And then back to 60 hertz. So yeah, that it's actually kind of cool. Neat. And already back to continuity. That is actually pretty cool. That also says we have non-contact voltage testing and to hold that for 2 seconds. So now, yeah, that's it. That is actually pretty awesome. So for somebody that doesn't like, dealing with the dial, they just want to put the probes on and see if the thing is live, this is a fantastic meter. And right here we got our backlight. So you can see that in the dark. Oh, that's actually cool. It's actually got a light there on the top too. So if you're rooting around in the cabinet, you can actually see what's going on in there. That is nice. So right now it's reading 123 volts. And if I hit hold, it will hold that so that we can actually see what we're looking at. Now it also tells you up here if you want to hit the select button because you don't want it to be in auto. So right there we've got resistance. So if we don't want to hear the beep, but we still want to check for resistance, we got that right there. Temperature. So let's use that thermal probe. You can see right now it is reading 26 degrees Celsius. If I put my fingertips on it, it's reading 33 degrees Celsius, 34. So what this can be good for is if you want to turn on a computer or something like that and see if it's overheating inside the case, you can put this inside there. You can see exactly what that temperature is. So that can really come in handy. We got the same thing for Fahrenheit. And then back to auto. So yeah, this is a really advanced multimeter. I can't get enough of how I can just take this thing and just measure anything and just keep on going. I don't have to set anything. This is really cool. That is a very neat idea. I like this a lot. So yeah, overall, that is a very cool multimeter.